Welcome, friends. Today, we are going to learn about direct and indirect speech. Are you ready? Let's get started. English language has two ways to narrate the spoken words of a person. The first is direct speech, and the second is indirect speech. Let's look into each of them in detail. Direct speech is when we use someone's exact words. Imagine your friend Sarah says, "I love ice cream." When we report what Sarah said using direct speech, we say, "Sarah said, I love ice cream." We use quotation marks to show the exact words of the speaker. Explanation of indirect speech. Now, what if we want to report what Sarah said without using her exact words? That's where indirect speech comes in. We change the sentence a little bit. Instead of saying, "Sarah said, I love ice cream," we say, "Sarah said that she loves ice cream." In indirect speech, we usually change the tense of the verb and may need to change pronouns and time expressions. As we can see, Sarah is a proper noun representing a person. So, she is a pronoun referring to Sarah. Said is the past tense form of the verb say. Loves is the present tense form of the verb love. There are no specific time expressions in this sentence. However, the verb form said indicates that the action happened in the past. Pronouns: Sarah, she. Verb forms: said, loves. Time expressions: past tense, indicated by the verb said, present tense, indicated by the verb loves. Example 1: Direct speech. Let's look at an example. Imagine your friend Tom says, "I'm going to the park tomorrow." When we report what Tom said using direct speech, we say, "Tom said, I'm going to the park tomorrow." Example 2: Indirect speech. But what if we want to report what Tom said without using his exact words? In indirect speech, we change the sentence. We say, "Tom said that he was going to the park the next day." See how we changed am to was because the event is in the past? We also change tomorrow to the next day because we are reporting what was said at a later time. Practice exercise. Now, let's practice. I will give you a sentence, and you have to decide if it is direct or indirect speech. Are you ready? Here we go. Sentence: Lisa said, "I want to be a doctor when I grow up." Is this direct or indirect speech? That's right. It's direct speech. Good job. Great work, kids. You have learned about direct and indirect speech today. Direct speech uses someone's exact words, while indirect speech reports what was said in our own words. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be experts at using direct and indirect speech.